What? You maiden voyage. The location is great because office. Go check in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. Oh shoot. Gonna go to the car now. We're currently in Portland and we're at a new place called Tropical Lagoon Villas. The property is nice, but yeah, it's gonna be a little adventure this weekend. The high point is that it's right near Blue Lagoon, so yeah, we're just going to go and get some food now. I begin to okay, so yeah, I ended the last bit of footage telling you where we were, but we're currently in Portland. We're staying in at a place called Tropical Lagoon. So far it's like a 6 out of 10, like a strong 6 out of 10. There's a lot of renovation that they need to get done, but it's cozy, it's nice, and we can run the AC all night. Which is one of the reasons why I really wanted to get a little break from home, because summer in Jamaica is hot, and it's overlooking the Blue Lagoon. It's beautiful outside, so I think tomorrow we're gonna show you what we get up to. We did get some groceries at the store, so we got some waters, like 3 big bottles of waters. I got this drink, even though I'm trying to watch my sugar. I got this thing, it's called Amigo apple and sour cherry, so it really intrigued me because the sugar content is not that crazy. It's like 10 grams of sugar, which is still not great. But got some Pringles and some plantain chips, and yeah, just little stuff. We also went on the road. We went to like Boston area and got some jerk. I got some fried lobster and Hakeem got some jerk chicken. But yeah, it pretty much is it's tucked away, and as I said, tomorrow we're gonna show you the Blue Lagoon. But yeah, if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Kimberly and this is Kimberly Vlogs XO. I'd really appreciate it if you take this time to just like and subscribe if you have not already. We are just going to relax and just rest. I do have some content to finish up tonight that I need to work on. I'm so tired, guys, but so it goes sometimes. Anyway, so I'm just gonna, our bed is huge, which I love, obsessed. So it's not a bad room. It's really, it's decent, it's good. But there is some renovation that they could do. Hopefully they do that, and the people here are nice, so let's, you know, fingers crossed for them. Anyway, I'm gonna go and get ready for bed, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's gonna be a beautiful day tomorrow. I just know it. I just have a feeling. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. All right, good morning, guys. It's a late morning. We've started out late. Again, if you are new to this channel, or if you're just joining right now, or if you haven't already, hit like. We are, as I said in the previous clips, we're in Portland. We are on our way to the Blue Lagoon. So the property that we're staying at, there's access to the Blue Lagoon. You sure we can walk here, babe? Okay, so Hakeem is gonna look and see if we can actually walk right there. If not, we'll just ask somebody. No? No? You know, look like it. Alright, so we're gonna have to ask the office.
Morning.
Morning.
Do we walk?
Oh, the bar is on that side.
So
Oh,
here?
so which side better? That side? Right there, so.
Cars reading?
Oh, so better to walk here, so.
Oh,
Oh.
I mean,
Alright, make me walk that way there. Yeah. Hey. Hui. Alright, so yeah, so we are gonna walk this way instead. You walk zigzag up the hill. As a countryman walk up the hill. Alright, so it's a little bit of a walk. I should probably put my slippers back on. Hakeem, of course, has gone ahead. He's like mountain man. So yeah, it's a little bit of a walk because we're coming from all the way up here, so we should be fine. Oh, you can see it? Ooh. It's like what place name? In Costa Rica, what place name? The place where we did that place, yeah. La Fortuna. Arenal. Is too brave. Which him? Like I want to do it too, but I'm just afraid. I don't like open water like that. It is. This is where we are. But I'm scared. Like you. I'm scared to swim across, but I think I want to eventually end up doing it. But yeah, I think we're gonna spend the rest of the day here. We love the Blue Lagoon. Portland is probably our favorite parish because it's just so green and blue and beautiful and everything. Like this is where we're walking from up there, and then this is where we get to. No, I think we should get the kayak. We could I'll kayak so that I don't have to swim across because they have the property offers kayaks, so the kayaks are right there. So, but like. For me to go across, swim across, we don't know. Guys, I don't know. But anyway, yeah. So we're gonna spend the rest of the day here. But the sun is starting to peak out. It was raining a while ago when we were coming down. And so the sun is, so that's what we love about Portland. It's like it rains and then it stops and then it rains and it stops, and that's so great. Like we love that. Especially if we're gonna spend the whole day in the water. It means it's good. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill here for the rest of the day. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Like this video if you have not already. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't. The raindrops are coming from the trees. Look at that. So gorgeous. You're back from your voyage. Your maiden voyage. What? Your maiden voyage. How was it? I am, but it's fine. How was it? It was not. It was like, you know, I swear I saw a duck like swimming along there, or some animal, because I saw it going up and down, up and down.
I mean?
No, it wasn't you, like when you were clear across.
So like a non-swimmer.
I'm not a non-swimmer, I'm just super cautious. I'm just, yeah, I know, right? But I'm just super cautious, Bubba.
You even have a floating device and you don't want to go across.
Yeah, because I don't want my booty exposed to the elements. What if like a little, what if a little barracuda comes up and is like, nip, 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 that juicy booty. we're gonna take a kayak out. It's raining right now, but yeah, we're gonna take a kayak out. Time to go. Oh, sit in here first. I'll go in front.
Yeah.
Here, sir. Hi ho, hi ho. Oh, I should help you, that's true.
It's alright. We go on fun.
Yay! This is fun. Isn't it fun? My boat captain.
Here for this is our pleasure.
Stop.
Oh, look at this pool right
This is pretty.
So nice.
Yeah, it is. Is it cold?
Both.
Boat. Okay, well, we see. It's all we need to come and see. Now we're going back on. Should I go on first?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, my boat captain. Wait, how do I get in without? Yeah, that's what I saw. It's so cute. Give me this one and the other one. This is one of the best things about living in Jamaica. Like, there are times when I get a little miserable when it's hot and everything, but coming to Portland just makes you be like, oh, I love living here. Oh, is that where we're staying? Up there, so I think that's where we're staying, up there.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's the area where we're staying, where we have the view of this beautiful place. So being able to come here and like rest up and rejuvenate in Portland, it's just, I think Portland is for the soul. Portland is for the spirit, you know? So yeah, it's amazing. Let me do it and see how well I do.
Alright.
Wait, hold on. I need to go this way.
Got me now way up in the bush.
Okay. Are we gonna go around there so I can go Monkey Island?
No.
Should we go to Monkey Island, guys? Alright. That's the ocean, guys. Where the ocean meets the lagoon. That's the ocean, guys. And those are the villas that we hope to afford one day. Amazing.
Ahoy, matey.
Oi! Whoa! Wow, the road, I really rode. The ship I get rocky, man. Wow. That's quite kind of cool. Yeah, they probably are. You know, tourists are not afraid when they're not at home. All right. So, land. Oh, that's canopy. Oh, over there, so the land abandoned. So we have to find land. This is gorge. You're gorge. You know, I'm not trust him if you like you shoot me out.
Whoa.
Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. No, don't give me both of the oars. You hold one. Oh, okay. It's a little rough. It's a little rougher here because the ocean is really near. So wait, I guess people don't swim here, so.
I mean, they're scared, so.
Yeah, but it's kind of a little rougher. See, guys, like the boat is a rocking and a rolling. But yeah, this is the expanse of Blue Lagoon. It's gorgeous. It's
can't believe this is where we are right now. Like, to see it in person is even better. Abandon ship. Hakeem! Hakeem! Oh my
No man, no man.
Intip it with me.
Intentionally.
Hakeem! Oh my god! It's a wicked man. Guys, we are done for the day, and this feels so good to be here. Hakeem is talking to his dad right now, showing him the place, but we were literally over that side, around there, so. And the boat nearly capsized with we. I say, like, I was talking to my sister on the phone, my younger sister, and I just feel like he started paddle with like force, you know. Not the boat, he must have the boat that take on water and we need for her pump. Like, he was just moving so fast, but it was so fun and I feel so refreshed. And we're gonna head up now, and I think we're gonna head into Port Antonio to get some food and also draw some money. Because we're leaving tomorrow, we want to have some cash just to have. The rain is coming down. The rain is coming down. But yeah, we're gonna head up now. Rain. Where you supposed then? Oh. I'm gonna go head up now. Go walk. Raining. It's so slippery. Guys, that rest up after like that shower and just wrap up and lay down in a bed after a day of swimming and stuff is just amazing. Yeah, and I'm eating some Pringles. The life, the AC's on. What a life. But I think we're gonna get ready in about an hour or so. I'm going to Port Antonio and get some food, like proper food, and just take the rest of the day and just relax. But yeah, this is me right now, and I'm just relaxing. This is what I needed. Alright, so we are out and we're gonna go and get some food. I switched over to my camera. Really didn't want to have to carry my camera, but my phone battery is dying and I had it in the water, so yeah, you know how that goes. Had it in the water, I need to get it charged, so I just left it. So I'm switching to my camera for now. Hi. A lot of hair going on, vacation here. So yeah, we're gonna get. So you said we're going to get like Indian food?
Yeah, we're like it out.
Yeah. Part of me, I just want to get like some cake. I'm feeling like a little sweet treat coming on for me. Alright. Ooh, the sun though. Yeah guys, so we passed by the place we're talking about to get some Indian food, and I don't know, it's kind of like it's very hole in the wall, but the reviews are looking really good. But I feel like we want to just sit somewhere and eat. I don't think we're going to end up going there now, but probably when we're leaving Portland tomorrow we'll stop by there, because Hakeem was really set on the Indian food. But just watching him in the camera. Yeah, because so right now we're stopped at an ATM to get some cash. I'm thinking we're gonna stop at we'll show you where we stop at. We're gonna get some food from there, but I'm thinking I just want some like regular sports bar type of food. Guys, my skin is skinning. Like, this is what rest and relaxation does for me. Watch ya. My skin, I have on some blush, but the skin, God is good. I needed a rest. But yeah, anyway, so we're gonna stop and get some food. I'm really feeling some sports bar type of food, you know, like if you go on sports bar, I can feel for something like just regular, and then a dessert at the end, like a cheesecake or something dessert. I don't know, I just feel for something nice. I feel like I've rested, I've relaxed, I've swam, I've been up and down, all that stuff, and I feel like that's what I want right now. The place that we're staying at, I did say in the beginning that it's like a 6 out of 10. The customer service there is really nice though. The WhatsApp is response. The people for the WhatsApp they're responsive. What happened?
Yeah, doing with them. No, I say, supermarket, they say, go check to see if you get a sweet treat in here. So.
No, I want it at the restaurant.
You sure them have them thing there?
Yeah, I'm sure. Because that one looks like a sports bar type of, like
okay.
one of them there.
I hope
Yeah.
so.
I hope. I keep on saying I'm gonna get the food at the rest at a supermarket, but I don't know. I feel like they'll have it. But anyway, yeah, the location is great because we literally walked down to Blue Lagoon, so it's a relaxing space. The bed is big and nice, and the room is cool, especially now it's summer in Jamaica. Like, it's a nice little spot to just rest in the room and recuperate and everything. But there is stuff that they can do to improve the property, and I feel like that's what they're doing now because there's some renovation going on. So hopefully, because it's in the perfect location, as I say, you literally walk down and we kayak the whole afternoon. The Blue Lagoon is right there, guys. Like I'm telling you, the location is perfect for what it is. It's just that it's a little tiny tip rundown, but the people there are very friendly, very friendly, and I think a lot is going to be happening to that property in a few weeks or a few months. But it could become a 10 out of 10 just based on where it's located, because it's near to Canopy House, so it's in that area, and we've stayed at Canopy House before. But I feel like the walk down, the only thing though, the walk down to the lagoon, it's a little, like, if it rains, you have to take your time. It's mossy and slippery, and yeah, so that's my only thing with that place, with where we're staying now. Other than that, it's, for what it is, it's good, and we're not spending the whole time in the room, other than when we're just resting and taking our morning slowly. We've been out, we're out for dinner now. We were out yesterday evening, this afternoon into afternoon we were out at the lagoon, and it's just a beautiful spot to be at. So yeah, so it's good for what it was. We weren't expecting like 5-star, and we weren't expecting, like, we had our tempered expectations. There's stuff that they could have done, but we temper our expectations, and we're there to just have a good little time and to just relax and recuperate and all that stuff. So it worked out for us. A Portland trip is always a good idea. Portland or Westmoreland or Negril, Westmoreland. It's always a good idea, but Portland is always better for us because we're nature people. We're really eco-tourists at heart, and we love being in nature, especially river and like ocean. That type of vibe is really our vibe. If it's even just to see some greenery, see a little view, see it, like that just makes us so happy that we can't even explain it. So it literally is just the perfect time for us to be here, and it's just a break from the heat. I am just sitting here in the AC. It's welcome. Summer. I'm not a summer girl. I say it to Hakim all the time. I get so frustrated because summertime is just extremely hot in Jamaica. But if me have AC and sun, like, I love the combination of some cold weather and some sun. That can do me. I can do with the sun like that. But otherwise, from that, I'm an autumn girl. I'm a colder weather type of female. I like that because I feel my spirit is warm, so my body can be cool. In the next couple weeks, we do have a couple we have another trip coming up with our family. We're going back to Villa Deluxe, so that's going to be fun. We're going to be spending a couple nights there with our family. We get to eat and relax and laugh and cook up a food and everything, so that's going to be fun. And then for September, Hakim's birthday is in September. I'm trying to work something out. I'm not sure yet what I'm doing, which is very late for me, but it's because we have some things working on, and then also I'm not sure if we're going to be doing some sort of collab situation during that time. I don't know, but Hakim said he just wants to be really chill, but we usually do stuff for birthdays, so I'm just trying to figure it out. So for the next it's been a lot of time. We just came back from Mexico last week. I'm so in the back, so by the time you see this, it's going to be a couple weeks since we've been, but it's fine. We'll make it work. It's just follow along. Just at least I post it and you guys can see and follow along with us and everything. But it takes some time, especially since we're 9-to-5ers and our jobs are pretty hectic. It's like a lot to kind of keep ourselves, but we're trying to do the content stuff. So yeah, I will catch up back with you guys. I'll show you the rest of the food. I don't know if I'm gonna wrap up the vlog. Hopefully I remember to wrap up the vlog. I always make a vlog and then I'm like, oh shoot, I need to wrap it up and say bye. If you're liking this vlog so far, please hit like. Stop what you're doing right now. Hit like. It helps my channel. It helps this video pick up in the algorithm. And also you can comment below your favorite emoji. Mine is this right now. This is the one I'm using a lot. And just let me know how you're feeling about the video. And if you like these types of videos, just let me know.
지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까 Baby 네 눈을 보면
Currently at another supermarket trying to get a few things. What them have? This man loves sparkling water.
Sparkling.
Yes, bro. Is that kombucha? What is that?
Drink milk.
Oh, vegetable rolls. Is it milk?
This is milk. Drink milk.
Oh. Yeah, I just really wanted something sweet. I just have a sweet craving and that cake will always do me. But I need like a chips too. Like not even like a chip. Oh, you know they have this one now? But this is too much sugar for me. Even though I just bought a cake.
Coconut?
Yeah, coconut flakes and caramel. But I want like I could get another Pringles. It's just something salty to just like, you know. That's something.
Oh, I love it. Sunshine snacks.
Oh, sunshine snacks. Oh, that's Rustic flakes. Anyway, yeah, I just need to get like a little salty snack too. It's gluten free. I think plantains are gluten free generally. Nothings. Should I get this? Oh, it's almond cracker. Maybe it's an almond cracker. I think I'm gonna get this. And it's gluten free. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. This will be my little snack for the rest of the night. Yeah, I've made up my mind. That's what I'm gonna get.
너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어 네 조금 느린 발걸음이 나는 좋았어
You get the ripe?
I'm not tasty.
I'm not tasting me now.
Tell me if them ready. The meat supposed to come off easy. Ready? Sweet?
Yeah, man, good. That's good. How long till them ripe? They ripe?
This is all herbs for the body. Certain sickness you have, you just tell me about it. I can even from that.
I think we have a lot of them something at home because we're in a detox now. No man, so we have a lot of them something at home because we have a pretty health conscious. May have enough stuff.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Alright. Thank you so much. Yeah, man.
Alright, thanks again.
Take care, yeah?
Yeah. My mommy. Mommy. No, just no meat. Oh, hold on, but it make with the meat.
You see one pan?
Huh?
You see one pan?
Yeah, yeah. Look for the road.
So the right one? Are the chicken there?
Yeah. In.
My chicken food.
But until I have to go to chicken. But now we know where to go and to get soup. Oh, I got my soup.
You want to taste?
Hi guys, so I just wanted to hop in here and share that this is a video that I am deciding to post now. It's a little out of order because I did have some content from a trip that we recently took, but my external hard drive has crashed. We take a trip to Mexico and that content is coming. I also still have content from Colombia to post, but I've just been so behind and so backed up, and then now with the hard drive crashing, it's kind of making it impossible for me to edit that content. But this vlog is one of the most recent vlogs that happened after Colombia, after Mexico, and I want to share that content with you, but just letting you know that my hard drive has crashed. I have a new one coming. I ordered one, I found one that I would like, and I'm going to try and recover the content from that hard drive. Like when I say everything is on that hard drive, every single thing is on that hard drive. So just bear with me and pray for me that I mean I did have my crash out moment already, but you know, we just rolled with the punches. And I was told by one of my colleagues who does IT stuff that there is a way to possibly recover the content on the hard drive. So fingers crossed, praying to Jesus.